has come for international passengers. It has got two parts. One part is that there are countries at risk. So protocol for them is different, and there are other countries for which a different protocol is to be followed. Now we first talk about the countries which are at risk, which includes UK also. So we are getting flights from UK. As per that protocol, on arrival, 100% mandatory testing on paid basis is compulsory. Any passenger who is coming from UK, he has to be tested on arrival, and for that we already have got the arrangements in place. Yesterday the flight has come, around 246 passengers were there, so they all have been tested. The arrangements which we have here are rapid PCR, which is an approved test by ICMR, and those tests are being taken place. So they have to give their sample, obtain their report, and if they are negative, then only they are permitted to go. Then they have to home quarantine themselves, and on 8th day again they have to get themselves tested. And in case anybody is found positive, the government of Goa will be taking that passenger to institutional quarantine. And one more thing is very important. Government of India, due to this new variant, is very concerned about it, and it has been decided that whoever comes positive, his another sample is taken, and that sample is to be sent for genome sequencing. So this is what is being followed, but so far no positive cases have been observed at Goa in yesterday's flight. So this is the protocol which is in place, and for the protocol for the passengers which are coming from nations which are not at risk, the government of India has specified that 2% of the passengers will be randomly tested. Airlines will select them randomly, they will be tested, and their samples will be taken. The same way we are doing rapid PCR for them also, and when they are found negative, they are allowed to go. If in any case somebody is found positive, then this protocol which was earlier in existence, 3 rows ahead, 3 rows behind, same has to be followed for contact tracing and other things. So that process is going on. Yesterday's our experience is that 246 passengers have been tested within 4.5 hours. So our speed is very good. Our arrangements which have been made through a third party are working smoothly. Further smoothen and improve the facilities at our MLCP. So that process, today I had a meeting with all my staff. So we are working on that. With the ideas which we received from the passengers who have come, they have been taken into account. And accordingly, all these arrangements are being made. One of the point was that charging points are required. So we have put the mobile charger points there. Then there was a requirement that more fans would be beneficial. So we have put more fans out there. We have put around 250 chairs out there. So passengers are comfortable. We have made the arrangement for tea, coffee, and some snacks also. So we are working on all those things, and I think in the coming days we'll be having a very comfortable arrangements for all the passengers who are coming for testing.